Hi, my name is Lori, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cucumber yogurt dip. So in many Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cultures, this is used as a side dish, and you just eat it with lunch or dinner, and it's very, very refreshing. And it's also very quick and easy to make. So the ingredients you're going to need for this are some salt, pepper, dried mint, and the good thing about dried mint is that it has no shelf life. You can use it, you can store it, and then use it like many months later. Some plain yogurt. I like Greek yogurt because it is high in protein and I really like the consistency. I'm using low fat. You can use any type, whole milk or any percentage, but I'm using non-fat. Some Persian cucumbers. Persian cucumbers are the best cucumbers for this because they are very flavorful and makes it even more refreshing. And then also garlic. And then the tool you're going to need for this are a measuring cup, a garlic press, a spoon to mix, a knife, and a bowl. So let's get started. We're going to start out by chopping and dicing the cucumbers. So I'm just going to move this. So what we're going to do is cut off the ends and then cut down the middle. Okay, once it's cut down the middle, lay it flat and then cut it into 3 sections. You can do the best. It doesn't matter if it's equal or not, but try to make it as equal as you can. Once you cut it into 3 sections, you're going to start by just cutting it so it's in smaller pieces, just like this. And then you're going to do that to the rest of your cucumbers. Whoops, that fell. Done. And as you can see from the cucumber that I just chopped, this is one of the pieces. So I'm going to be using this as a side dish. That's why the cucumber pieces are a little bit bigger. If you want to make this more of a dip, then you can probably cut it a little smaller or use a mandolin if you have it to chop it even smaller. And now I'm going to be showing you how to press the garlic because this is peeled garlic. Okay, we're going to need 3 cloves, and I'm going to be using this garlic press. So I'm going to put the garlic here, press on top, and then using both hands and using pressure, I'm going to rock back and forth to make sure all the garlic is pressed. Then when I'm done, I'll use a spoon to scoop this out. So now we have chopped all our cucumbers and we have pressed all our garlic, and now it is time to combine everything. So I'm first going to start out with 3 cups of yogurt. So it doesn't have to be exact. You can always add more if you want, but oh my goodness. Okay. So the recipe is actually pretty simple. So for every cup of yogurt, you can there's 1 cucumber and 1 clove of garlic. So I'm putting 3 cups in. You can put as many or as little as you want, but for this, I'm going to be putting in 3 cups. So now that I've put in 3 cups of yogurt, it doesn't have to be exact, you can always add more. I'm going to now add the cucumbers. Okay, so we're going to move this. Add our cucumbers in. Okay. And after adding our cucumbers, we're going to add the 3 cloves of garlic that we just pressed. So we're going to use the spoon to help scoop out the garlic and just put it all in, just like that. And now that we have this in, we can add our final touches. So you can add salt and pepper to taste. I personally like to use 1 pinch of pepper and a few pinches of salt. 1. I'm gonna put 2 for now. And then we have, and now I'm gonna put in some dried mint as well. So it can be like 1 palmful, so I'll put it in my palm. And then using your other palm, you're gonna slowly, kind of in a circular motion, crush the mint, and then add it in when it's crushed. So it's slowly coming down, and this is the final touch before we combine it all together. See, there it goes. It smells really, really good. Okay. And now we're going to combine it all together. So, folding motion, I think, is the best way to mix it. And you can always add more pepper or salt or mint if it doesn't taste as you would like it. But I'm going to add a little bit more salt, actually. More pinch. And some more pepper. And I can't wait to eat this, honestly. It smells really, really good. Okay, and there you have it, your cucumber yogurt. So this is our final product. This is our cucumber yogurt. And now for the taste test. It's gonna take a little bit. That's really good. I think I'm gonna need to add maybe a little bit more salt and pepper. I mean, if you are sensitive to pepper or you don't like that much garlic, you can always use smaller cloves, or you can use less pepper, less salt. It really is up to how much you want in your yogurt. So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt just for my liking, but otherwise, that's our video. Thank you so much for watching.